San Salvador, El Salvador.
There we go. Tanis, we made it.
The video?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it again. We made it. I'm not making sense. I'm switching words around.
It's what, 4 a.m. in Canada?
No, it's about 3 a.m. in Canada.
What time is it here?
It's almost 2.
So yeah, 3.
And yeah, so they're just an hour ahead.
Long day.
Long day. It's just sitting. And these were not comfortable. These were not comfortable seats.
No. Well, we got our bags. Got the camera.
Yeah,
that's all that matters.
Wait, where's your bag?
I got it.
Yeah.
So we got in very late last night, hence why I didn't show the room or anything. Got to bed at 4:30 in the morning. It is 9 in the morning. Very little sleep. We're going to ask about if we should take the day bus, which is 16 hours, or if we should take an overnight bus, which we don't know how long it will be, but we have to see if the timing lines up. But we're gonna go and get a SIM card and go and get breakfast. But I'll show you the room first. It was a very mediocre room. Don't get too excited. So that's the entrance. This is the bed, just a double bed. There's some bunk beds as well. Desk. And our bags. And that's kind of it. Very, very basic room. Also, this was supposed to be a queen bed, and we were supposed to have a washroom. So, definitely the wrong room.
Good check.
Day 1.
Pool table. Okay, let's go. We got a SIM card. SIM card.
Now we gotta get some food.
Hello.
Hey. So we are in a small Cafe Del Rio, and actually Julia is getting the lasagna breakfast Del Rio, which is their sweet breakfast. I'm trying a local breakfast. It's got like chicharron, cheese, some other mixed stuff.
I'll take a video on this.
I'm very tired. I'm a tad bit stressed. I'm not looking forward to being in a bus for 14 hours today.
We're gonna be fine, don't worry.
So far, everything has gone relatively well. Except for them giving us the wrong room last night.
Yeah, it wasn't ideal.
They gave us the triple room when we got the matrimonial room. The queen room that has a twin bed. No way. The queen room that has a twin bed.
That's okay. It was only one night there, so.
Yeah. I only slept in it for
4.5 hours. Yeah.
So that's why I'm not feeling so great.
Well,
just up here.
Well, we'll get food and we'll feel better.
Yeah.
Okay, Tanis got his mochaccino and then his food.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I forget what it's called.
This is delicious.
Yeah, oh, and then we got chicharron on the side here, which I fucking love chicharron. And this is like a mix of greens with a lot of spices. It tastes like it's gonna be spicy, but then it's not spicy, so it's really delicious.
Yeah,
it's just really flavorful. And then some fried eggs, so like I'm happy. This is exactly what I needed. And the coffee. Coffee was necessary.
And then there's fresh juice. We have no idea what fruit it is. It's okay.
And about 2-year-old bread.
Yeah, the bread is
Gross.
I should go to the pigeon that was outside. But
Yeah. Gross.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Gracias. Thank you. It's my food. Fruit.
So that's what he was asking. If you want leche milk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I understand it.
Yeah.
Look at our meal.
So, I mean, one day's a write-off with flights, one day's a write-off with buses. But tomorrow morning, we're gonna go to the Amazon, and I'm so happy about that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Good?
That's good.
Good.
Yeah.
Doggy. Hey, doggy. Time to walk to the right terminal. What is it?
Oh, so tortillas with queso. Tortilla with queso. Dude, it's not saying queso though. It smells like queso.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Got our fruit. Got our tortillas. Just from the side of the road. What do you think?
I don't know. They said tortilla something. I like tortillas. I've had tortillas with many things in them. This is tortilla.
It's sweet and salty.
It's sweet and salty. I don't know if it's cheese or corn or something. It's yellow. Tortilla con yellow.
I like it. I think it's good. Grab some. It's hot.
It's a little salty, which makes me think it might be some type of cheese.
Yeah, maybe. You know what? I think it's cheese.
That's what they do. Yeah, it's the tortilla with cheese and sugar. That's the yeah. It's just as it's a fresh one.
Very good. We got the Soca de Carne, but we mucked it. It's already gone. It's already done.
Oh.
It's already done.
Day 2, fit check. Power Rangers, transform.
This is where we were staying last night. Having some eggs. We already ate our croissants.
Huevos. I think that's it. Huevos?
I don't know. I forgot. But having some eggs. Had some hot chocolate and coffee. Also had a croissant that we both
Café
ate.
con leche.
Cafe de leche. It's hot, yeah, hot chocolate? Or is that
What? This is a mocha. This is dehydrated hot chocolate, dehydrated coffee, called caliente leche.
There you go.
But wait, caliente is probably spicy. Is caliente hot? Yeah, muy caliente. Muy. I don't know. Right? Maybe it's both.
I have no idea.
I would hate to have spicy milk. That'd be very strange.
We got watermelon, kiwi. What is that? Pineapple? Strawberry, banana, and cantaloupe. We got some little mini mangoes.
I know, it's so cute. Strawberries look really good.
Yeah, they do look good.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
We're just parallel to this street, yeah?
Yeah.
I thought I heard a screaming Pika or Piha. They're really excited. But no, Marla's not picking it up. But there's a boat-build flycatcher up there.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Hola. Gracias. This is our room. What's the bathroom like? Oh, it's very nice. We have arrived. Janice is just grabbing his stuff.
Hang 10. Alrighty. Woo. Oh, it's beautiful.
We're swimming in the Amazon, that's kind of crazy.
Yeah. Swimming in the Amazon River. We went in the water.
I went in the water.
She went in the water. Didn't actually happen, no. Just like...
Good morning. We're all ready.
Good morning. My mustache looks hilarious in this light because it's the shadow.
Yeah.
So you don't see my eyes, you just see mustache. Mustache man. Mustache, mustache man.
We saw Hootsons there last night, but they're not there right now. We're gonna go for breakfast and then for a morning hike today. After the hike, 4 to 3 hours, we come back here for lunch and for a siesta, and then we'll do sunset boat tour and then a night hike today. So that's today. I'm gonna pay attention to where I'm walking because I'm gonna slip. Surprise, surprise, it's raining in the rainforest. But that's okay. I don't mind the rain. It just means that there's not really animals or birds out, which kind of sucks. But, you know, make the most of it. It's really pretty, regardless. So yeah, we're gonna go on our hike now for 3 to 4 hours. Maybe it'll be shorter since there's no animals out. But yeah, that's what we're about to go do. Apparently there's an otter. He's so cute! Yeah! Oh my god!
That one.
And what is it called?
Like this is the taste maybe, and then it's cigarette.
That's so cool.
Oh, after the local people cut the root, make it the padle, make it have the batea, call it the match the yucca, banana, this one, no? After normally it's our different, you know, the plastic padle is different, no? And then this after this one, the tree is very nice to cut this one, maybe no have the try. This is to drink cold for the people. Look at that. Only small one. Yeah, maybe 2 kilometers sound is this one. Look. Is coming to the bridge to the lodge is on the one ecosystem, the white water and the green forest, no? Another one more coming and the Laguna Grande, this black water, green forest around. Today, walking terra firme, green forest around. Now, continue in here, swamp place, swamp, just green forest around, yeah? And then in swamp place, different plants. You see the palm trees. Look at that. Big palm trees. The name is morete. Moretes have the fruit, red fruit. I can eat the favorite, the carpet fruits. You drink. This is for the liver is problem. This is very nice medicine.
So if you drink a lot,
Yes, yes. And also everything very short to pass on this one. This is very bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is life.
Yeah.
All the life. This is only this one life. Jungle life.
That's all you eat?
Yeah. Look at that. After the smell.
I love it.
The smell. Yeah. This is the copal tree. Copal. Or candle tree.
Candle tree.
There's the myria fur on it.
I know. Furs on everything. The weather is much better now. Butterfly. That's an Annie. That's an Annie. There's one more there. Oh. Oh, yeah, I see them in the tree. I can't get a photo of that though. Okay, I'm going up to the lookout. It's up, I think, 4 flights. Oh, halfway there. Okay. Wow. Trying to get a photo of a hummingbird. This is the little hammock area with the charging station over there. Little reading book over there. Reading nook area. It is raining. Yeah. nice and relaxing. I'm currently in the hammock room. There is Wi-Fi here, which surprised me. I was not expecting any Wi-Fi. And it's only like at the main area. So like this little room, and then the kitchen slash dining room has Wi-Fi. So if you need to like call people or like upload photos, that type of stuff, you can do so. But there is no Wi-Fi like where you sleep in the rooms, which is totally fine. I wasn't even expecting Wi-Fi at all. So it was like a happy little surprise, just so I can like text my family and upload photos and stuff. But other than that, there's no really need to use Wi-Fi. So yeah, nice little surprise, but not needed whatsoever.
Look at her go. Oh my god, the athleticism. Oh my god. Did you see the spin move? It's too fast, too fast.
We're supposed We're supposed to be going on a boat ride right now. It is raining. So I don't know if we're still going on it. It's supposed to be a sunset. Swimming.
Sun is gone. Sun is nowhere to be found.
Swimming.
Sun checked out. Sun took a Sunwin vacation.
Yeah. So we'll see what we're doing. Okay.
So do it just like jump?
Slither out like a little.
Hey babe. Hi. Golden hour. It's the scorpion spider. Yeah. On.
So cool. What is that?
It's just a new leaf. The new leaf that reflects it.
That's so cool.
Like that, yeah, new leaf.
Oh wow. Eee, like a grasshopper.
Oh, that's a praying mantis.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep.
Mantis.
Oh.
Blends in very well.
Yeah.
This is camouflage, no?
Yeah, that's impressive.
Look, that's
Alright,
real.
alright. This is the sound. Rock, depends. No?
Oh, he's so little. Oh, you're so little.
Wow.
Hello. Hi, little guy.
Oh, you're doing so cool.
Really good. That was a big one.
Whoa!
He didn't like that.
I think it's a type of, you know what? That might be cordyceps.
Oh, this is?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the cordyceps.
Yeah.
Exactly, this is the cordyceps.
Yeah. That's so cool.
But don't get too close, it'll jump right out.
Okay, I don't want it to do that.
Okay.
What is it?
It's a tree, like, it's a leaf hopper.
Yeah, it's only mushroom. It's a very soft mushroom.
Oh, it's so cute.
Very soft? Only two different area.
They're relocating.
Yeah. See the little white things that they're holding? Those are the larvae.
That's great.
This one, look at that. Nah, then look.
Don't they bite?
Yeah, the right here. This is maybe to cut this one, 2, 3. They said no, it's no.
Doesn't bite.
No.
His skin, he molted like last week, maybe a couple days ago.
Janice,
Hey,
successful.
I think it was fantastic. Yeah,
I don't know if they'll be able to hear us at all, but
That'll be okay. That's the last thing, right?
it's another very rainy day. Well, it's slowing down a little bit now, but it was pouring rain last night. Today we're gonna go to, where's Tanis? Here's Tanis. We're gonna be going to the local indigenous community, which our guide's actually from, the Sonia people. Gonna make their bread there. What else are we doing? Then we're gonna be just doing a little boat ride around, come back for lunch, and then have a little bit of downtime. Then we're gonna do a sunset boat tour again. And then I think we're doing another night tour. I don't remember exactly. I'll go ask Tanis. What are we doing?
Right now we're going to breakfast.
Okay, and then?
And then, after that, we were going to go on the boat, motorboat, for quite a while.
To the
Down
Sonia?
the Cuyabena River to one of the local tribes, the Sonoa people. And we're going to learn how they use primarily cassava root to make bread. And we're going to have lunch there. And Julie's going to try some grubs.
I will not be doing that, but Tanis will.
Take a video of it, she will.
No, I actually don't like, that already hurts my stomach thinking about it, but you know, I'll watch you do it.
Yeah, we're probably going to buy some, make a charitable contribution, but also buy some bracelets or something. And we're going to come back, also on the boat, there and back. Actually, it's not really raining.
Yeah, it kind of stopped now.
Yeah, so it's just treeing. Ooh, black vulture.
Big bird.
That's a perch for many birds. Yesterday I saw a caraca, yellow-headed caraca up there, which is quite uncommon here, which is really cool. Hopefully we see a bunch of stuff on the way. So far, what we haven't seen, that's, you want to see here are toucans, probably yellow, white-breasted toucan is the most common one, and also caimans. We haven't seen any caimans.
She said tonight we should be seeing caimans. That's what we're doing after dinner. I forgot what we were doing.
Yes.
Oh no, not after dinner. So yeah, after we come back here and relax.
Chill, and then we get on the boat again, and we're gonna go to a different laguna, different lake.
Yeah, we'll do the sunset for swimming, and then go to a different lagoon to try and look for caimans, she said.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our plan today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't see your feet. Fit check. Except I took my poncho off and my backpack off, and I have yet to put on my socks and my boots. Oh, my calves look good.
I know.
There were a couple that flew over us about 20 minutes ago.
Holy shit. That is... Hey.
No, where is it?
Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. So cool.
This one, another one. Smell, please.
Ah, yeah.
What is?
What's this?
Smell.
Oh.
Garlic.
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 What the?
Yeah.
That's
This
so
is the
weird.
garlic by in this one. This is medicine. Or maybe after to put in the food, no?
Yeah.
Look at garlic.
That's garlic.
Only
Yeah.
this one. Yeah.
Ah.
After this, the centerpiece. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Oh, let me take a quick picture. This is a centipede.
Oh.
Look at that guy.
This is
So
this
cool.
one.
Oh my god, this thing is massive. That's vining up that tree. I know, it smells good. We are in the rainforest.
Overman, no?
Oh.
And then maybe we have for the battery of community for the house here. Okay? After this, the years, completely different houses, only to live. Now it's mother time in this one. Yeah. These are the two the communities. This one, another one community, Puerto Bolívar and San Victoriano. This is more old community in this place, no? This is the San Victoriano. This is the name, puts in the name here in the memory of the shaman. And here we have the very, very old shaman in this place. Now it's that, no. And then today,
Do they have a successor where they pass down the knowledge to someone new?
the
New shaman?
Yeah, this is a new generation is coming the shaman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Generation for the some and so the different.
Sorry, there's a bird running around.
Oh yeah, this is on this. Okay.
What type of bird is that?
Ping. What?
Okay, I'll look it up later.
I don't know.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah. No. Yeah, and then now we are going to another house with this woman way there. Okay.
Okay.
This one is here. And then place.
I know, look at the doggies.
Oh yeah. Vamos. After the wake up, there's a maybe to see the root, yeah. It's like a carrot. And then this one, the planter or to put in the ground is very easy.
Yeah.
To cut the branches and then to put in the ground the moving and then to put. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
It's a
yeah.
natural room. Sí, dele nomás aquí. San Victoriano.
Good memory.
Bueno chicos, este es el ají picante
Ya.
que pueden comer con chifles de yuca o chifles de verde. Aquí tenemos la miel de maduro.
Ya, eso me olvidé de
Ajá.
explicar. And here there's the chile, no? Chile and sour.
Okay.
And this one, like a marmalade, natural marmalade, this is the banana marmalade.
Wow.
So dark.
Yeah, so dark to
Yeah.
eat the banana so you can fry.
Yeah.
Is this banana marmalade?
Ese es chile, ¿no? Aquí es, ¿no? O es mermelada de banana, ese que está ahí.
Ese es picante.
Ah, ya, chile.
Chili.
Chile.
There you go. You love chili.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Do you think? Maybe you want, please,
Ah,
for everybody.
that's-
Este es chile, es ají picante.
Okay. Let's get to going.
Yeah, it's slippery.
They are slippery. It's hard once it gets to the nub.
Yeah.
What do I do with this little nub?
Keep going.
You never know.
Ah.
Did I take over? Yeah. Nice.
There we go. And one side goes there, and there's another stick. There you go. Alright. Little chickies, yeah.
No. No, decían que estaba llenito la canoa, ya estaba llenándose de agua, dicen.
Y don Pinche se fue a verle que estaba llenito de agua.
Oh my gosh. Stay still. Huh. All done. Clean it off. Got the other one ready to go.
One for you.
Wow.
It's got some peps.
Yeah, they're heavy.
It looks like if you were to press down bread a lot.
Enjoy. I'm sorry. These are the
Beautiful.
tuna salad here.
Perfect.
You want mayonnaise, ketchup, this, the pineapple.
Marmalade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Got avocado, onion, tuna, and tomato.
Cheers.
Rice with chicken and some veggies. It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Little babies. Big goose. Look at him. He's bathing.
All part of the experience. Alrighty, let's go up again. Woo! Can't wait to see that footage of me underwater.
Looking for snakes and caimans. Mostly snakes. Bats!
Fishing bats.
So cute.
It's our last day in the Amazon. Not even a day. We're gonna go on the boat soon and leave to Lago Agrio. Lago Agrio. Oh, something's behind me. Monkeys. And that branch that's moving. Little spider monkey. He's jumping everywhere. There's two of them. Let me go get a closer look. I don't know if you can see them. They're so small. Oh, you see them jumping? They're so cute. Anyways, yeah, last day in the Amazon at Cubana Lodge. Tanis went out on a really early boat ride to go see some birds, like before the sun rose. I needed sleep. I look tired, and I am really tired. This lodge has been fantastic. My only little complaint is that the bed is not comfortable. But none of the beds we've stayed in so far are comfortable. So I don't know if that's just like an Ecuador thing, but they just like have hard beds. Or if we've just been unlucky, because I did not sleep well any of the nights. But, you know, it's one of the oldest lodges on the river, so it's kind of what I expected. Like, I wouldn't deduct any stars from my stay, but if you're someone who really can't sleep with a hard bed, I don't know if other lodges would be better, but I still recommend coming here. It's just that you may not have the best of sleeps. Oh, it sounds like Tanis is back. Let's go greet him. How was it?
That was pretty cool.
That's a cute name.
A violacious jay. There was the Hoatzins, obviously, Annie's, obviously, pigeons, obviously.
Pigeons.
There was a hawk in the distance that we couldn't ID. Obviously, little swallows and stuff like that.
Yeah. What color were the parrots? Orange?
Green.
Oh, why are they called orange?
Because they have an orange. Their tail feathers, when they fan them out, they're orange.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Most parrots are green until they open their wings.
Yeah.
It's a different color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fun?
Yeah, definitely glad I did. I mean, never gonna, or I don't know when I'm gonna be back here again, so I'm glad I
Yeah.
went out and did it.
Nice.
Yeah. 3 types of monkeys in the lodge in 3 days. Yeah, you're happy with your snake?
Yeah, I'm happy with the snake. I want to get a snake at home.
Yeah.
Well, really lucky,
Yeah. I think that's everything. We saw everything. Oh. Turn around. Turn back.
And we're back at the bridge. There's Cubana Bridge. back. That was lovely. On the bus.
Huh?
On the bus.
On the bus at 10 o'clock. We made good time.
Yeah.
It's a 2 hour. Well, actually, in the bus is probably 2 hours. In the car that we took here is more like an hour and a half. This thing's going crazy. So yeah, arrive at noon. And then, you know, maybe wait half hour for a bus. But if we take the same route that we came here with the public bus, we should get to Quito before midnight.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed. Knock on wood somewhere. This is papritas sobara limon. So it's lemon flavored or lime flavored chips. They're quite good.
Nice. We got a little snack.
Yeah, I packed this little goodie bag. Alright, so as part of the little goodie bag that they packed us a sandwich. Except mine's a bun, clearly a bun. Hers was not. And they cut it in half. Ta-da! That's the sandwich. Yeah, it's queso fresca. But that is, I think that's the...
Yours is more proportional. Mine had a piece of cheese this big and the sandwich was up to here.
This is the minimum requirement for the definition of sandwich.
Yeah.
Something in between two pieces of bread.
Yours looks better than mine, actually.
Okay, I'm excited.
Mine had double.
This is like good bread. Yeah.
The bread's good.
Yeah.
Sandwich and ice cream. It's so good. Okay, we finally arrived after, what, 10 and a half hours drive? 11?
The drive was actually the drive was 10 hours. So we left at 12:45 and we got here at 10:45.
And the bus was way more comfortable than the last bus.
Like it
had like a footrest thing. It was nice.
Yeah, it was a decent drive.
And the bus driver was way faster, so. So we arrived to...
Recommendation, Baños is the best, is the preferred bus outfitter. The one that we took to Lago Agrio was
Punta Maya.
Yeah, Punta Maya, and that was like...
It had better times. It had more good times.
More frequently to Lago Agrio, but not on the way back.
Yeah, so whatever you can take, but this is the room. Where are we? Terra Premium Hostel? Premium Terra Hostel?
Terra
Hostel.
Hostel.
It's not a hostel, it's a hotel. But this is the room. The bed, you can see he's dented in it. It's cushioned. It's not a rock. It looks really cute. It's quite cute. Big ass TV actually. A little place for our luggage. There's a safe. Let me turn on the lights. There's a safe in this one. Nice big mirror. More storage, lots of storage. The bathroom is very nice. You haven't seen the bathroom yet, right? Oh my god, they have branded towels. Oh wow, that's a nice toilet. Everything's so nice in here. I'm gonna pop my head outside and take a video of the hallway. Oh, did I lock it? I think I just locked it, yeah. So I may have ordered a bit too much food. I just took a shower. That shower was really nice and really needed. Yeah, so I ordered my food. I didn't know how big the portion would be. Hence why it's the portion for like 4 people. And then Tanis is going right now to get his food from downstairs. This isn't me and Tanis's, this is just my food. This one's nudes. Some noodles. This one's rice. This is like together. And then they only gave me a spork. Okay, Tanis got his food. Is that a drink? What is that?
That is a drink. That's
Agua fresca de Jamaica.
Okay. Whatever that is. You got little tiny tacos. Look how small they are.
That smells good. Just look at that.
That looks really good. So you got ramen.
It's not ramen. It's like it's the birria juice. So that when they make the carne, the meat,
Yeah.
the broth that's made from it, it looks like they put ramen in with a little bit of the carnes. This should be a birria taco. Yeah. Extra, extra, extra. Oh, look at that.
That looks really good. Well, bon appetit. Oh my god, the amount of food I have is ridiculous.